So yeah, here's the floor, guys. I'm gonna have to fix the wheel wells, add some pieces, but the floor panels are one unit that unbolt. But yeah, I got my overcut it, and I gotta lift the cab.
Fixing a rad hose belt issue and replacing the floor panels on the Kubota B2400.
Alright, get this rad put back together here. So yeah, I'm gonna start by putting the rad back together, and then after, lift the cab and start working on the floor.
Someone installed a 39-inch belt and IT cut into the lower rad hose and the heater core hose. Both hoses had to be replaced and a 37.3-inch belt installed.
If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. Got the new line back on. It doesn't, these lines are a little shorter, so I can't get as much on there. But as long as I got a good inch or so tightened down, should be alright. So now I'm gonna put my other little line on right here, and then actually have like a bolt for a spacer. There we go. So you can see they got just a bolt, the spacer, rigged in there. This should be fun. That's close right there, just almost touching. I don't like that.
The bolt used is slightly too long and almost rubs the belt.
It's almost touching the belt right there. Okay. So, I need a little washer on the other side.
I add a washer to the one side to space the bolt away more.
Now I gotta go get another washer and put that on there. Basically, I want to okay, there we go. So now I need another washer. It's awfully close to that belt, and I don't want it rubbing. Already had the issue with rubbing with it, so we're gonna try to eliminate any possibility of belt failure here. And as you can see, like, that's all the room I got there. Not much room. Anyway, and then so the belt's all lined up. Got my new hoses on. Alright, so I'm going to tighten my top here, and I can start putting the rad shroud and the leaf boat in. my new hose, the rod, or the belt tensions, that's where it should be, like close to min. And yeah, got my new line in, rad hose, my new line on the bottom, got all kinds of clearance as you can see, tons of clearance. So there's a bracket, place that up top to hold it in place here. So I gotta get that in place. So I just gotta put my exhaust tube back on, but I broke the bolt in here, so I'm just gonna grind that off and then put a bolt down through. It also holds my, what do you call it, in place.
Heater for turn off switch.
So there we go. Bolt through there, and I'm ready to lift it. There you go. So just something to hold it from not going higher. And you can see I got all kinds of clearance. Anyway, all back together. Just gotta fill her up and fire it up. So now on to lifting the box. The cab here next. Yeah. There we go. Woo!
Jack and tow bar holding the front of cab up. We already removed the four-corner cab bolts. Jacking up cab just enough to slide the panels out. Be extremely careful while jacking. We also removed the floor panel bolts, well, the ones that weren't rusted. I had to lift the plastic steering pedestal. Whack the titanium bar in my arm.
So there's some hardware rubber stopper you gotta change out your rubber grommet.
so I found out I needed the steering wheel and pedestal removed. Haha.
Oh, whoa, hi. Oh, I just,
Here we go, you put in there. So yeah, new floor panel in there. And that's why I'm lifting it up, is to go in the corner here. So yeah, we're getting there.
The 1-inch bolt head is now 7/8. Haha.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to do some slicing. Slice the front out, on my edge, and then this out, because it is not gonna go in there with this cab, and I got it as hard as it'll go. And I still can't slide it in. So I'm having a lot of fun.
She's too tight.
So, that should be strong enough still with my plate. Pulling the inside. Empty bolts. Oh, I should just slide it.
Checking to see if the main bolts fell in place. Good to go. All back together. Man, we work fast. Cut out rusty metal and replaced IT with new.
So it's filling up the rusty holes.
that's gorgeous.
That looks great.
And then,
Hold on guys, see what it looks like from the other side. Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Rewelding a cracked hinge.
Alright.
back to the inside. You want that thing turned down?
Yeah, can you turn me to level 1 and then like 20, 25 maybe? So 1 on feet,
Yeah.
25 wires.
So it's stitch welded on both sides. We drilled holes in the added pieces to bolt the new floor pans too. Almost done now, yippee.
Man, that's sticker welded pro. See how good that sticker welds? Actually laid in out that bead right through the sticker.
And that is how you do it.
Yeah, sticker me Elmo. There she is, the new floor. So it's nice and solid. Put the cab back on, got your rad on. Jump tester. Oh yeah. Nice and sturdy.
Rocker guard at the underneath.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, it's nice, man. Nice and sturdy. Like it. Woo! Nice shiny new floor.